Good morning, viewer. Dementia. Here's the most amazing news. Yeah, cognitive impairments in AI. Almost all leading large language models or chatbots show signs of mild cognitive impairment when tested using assessments commonly used to detect early dementia, according to a study published in the Christmas issues of the BMG. This study also found that older versions of these chatbots, much like aging human patients, perform worse on the test. The author suggests that these findings challenge the assumption that artificial intelligence will soon replace human doctors. Recent advances in artificial intelligence have sparked both excitement and concern about whether chatbots might surpass human physicians in medical tasks. While previous research has demonstrated that large language models that called LMS excel at various medical diagnostic tasks, their potential vulnerability to human-like cognitive impairments such as cognitive decline has remained largely unexplored until now. To fill this knowledge gap, researchers assessed the cognitive abilities of the leading publicity available LLMs, ChatGPT versions 4 and 4.0 developed by OpenAI, Claude 3.5 Sonnet developed by Anthropic, and Gemini version 1 and 1.5 developed by Alphabet using the Montreal Cognitive Assessments Test. Yeah, the Montreal Cognitive Assessment Test, that's called MOC test, is widely used to detect cognitive impairment and early signs of dementia, usually on older adults. Through a number of short tasks and questions, it assesses abilities including attention, memory, language, visual-spatial skills, and executive function. The maximum score is 30 points, with a score of 26 or above generally considered normal. This instruction given to the LLMs for each task were the same as those given to human patients. Scoring followed official guidelines and was evaluated by a practicing neurologist. ChatGPT 4.0 achieved the highest score of the MOCA test, 26 out of 30, followed by ChatGPT 4 and Claude, 25 out of 30, and Gemini 1.0 scoring lowest, 16 out of 30. All chatbots showed poor performance in visuospatial skills and executive tasks such as the trail making task, connecting encircle numbers and letters in ascending order, and the clock drawing test, drawing a clock face showing a specific time. Gemini models failed at the delayed recall task, that is called remembering a 5-word sequence. Most other tasks including naming, attention, language, and abstraction were performed well by all chatbots. However, in further visuospatial tests, chatbots were unable to show empathy or accurately interpret complex visual senses. Only ChatGPT 4.0 succeeded in the inconvenient stretch of the stoop test, which uses combinations of color names and font colors to measure how interference affects reaction time. These are observational findings, and the authors knowledge the essential differences between the human brain and large language models. Beyond this exclusive report.